Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find accessibility settings on your account on the Discord, easy and quick. First, click on your profile here. Now here you will find accessibility settings. Now as you see, you can manage your accessibility settings easy and quick, and that's it. That's how to find accessibility settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.